October 5th, just a few months away, is going to be the Aspiring Magazine Celebrity Appreciation Party. We're going to have some awesome sponsors. We're going to have a lot of great influencers. We're going to have some of our celebrities that we've already interviewed out on this boat here. So y'all come on out.
Gentlemen, you definitely want to tap into Aspiring Magazine. Now, find us on Instagram. That is at ASPIRING Magazine, Aspiring Magazine. Get ready, Wednesday, October 5th, right out here. Get ready, Wednesday, October 5th, right out here in Newport Beach. You're going to come to the Aspiring Magazine Celebrity Appreciation Party. We already have some celebrities booked. They are ready to come right over here to this boat. Thank you so much, Chris, for making this all possible. I am the host, Kahlelah Goodine. I'm also the wardrobe director for Aspiring Magazine. We're sold in over 600 stores. Find us at your local